Another amazing brand new model Ford Ranger Wildtrak has just arrived, 2023, 23 registration in an awesome gunmetal grey. Now the Wildtraks, they do come fully loaded. This is the new 2-litre diesel engine with a cracking gearbox, the new design with the wide arches, the beautiful C-shaped lighting going on, full Ford LED headlights as well, front rear parking sensors, this huge new front grille. It's a stunning car. They're a brilliant thing for towing, on-road, off-road, and being a pickup just makes it really such a practical vehicle. Now this one is VAT qualifying, so the price online is plus VAT. The car is like new with 2,000 miles on. 2023-23 registration means it's got the remainder of the manufacturer's warranty. The Wildtrak gives you all the colour-coded bumpers, the arch kit, the upgraded 18-inch alloy wheels finished in grey again, front and rear mud flaps, fixed side steps, the bi-turbo labelling on the side air vents, and the Wildtrak badged finished in matte black. Sun protection glass, just like the bonnet protector. This one's got the window protectors as well, which is an extra and it really does look really good. These are blacked out windows, and as for the interior, well, first of all, it's a Wildtrak, so you have that lovely orange stitching going on from the door cars to the leather seats, to the dashboard and the steering wheel. You've got that new fascia, that big, huge sort of vertical screen down the middle, which is the brain of the car really. That's the media, the navigation. But have a look at this. It's such a nice, big, easy screen to use. Heated seats, dual zone climate control, the air conditioning, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. It's got everything. This is no longer just a truck, a workhorse. It's a vehicle you can use every single day with your family, your friends, and then shot lots in the back. Glove box at the top there, cup holder hidden away, nice and blended in with the dashboard. You've got more cubbyhole space down here, twin cup holders, key, and the different options down here, which is 4 high, 2 high, 4 low, or 4A, which is the automatic version, so it does its own thing. Different drive modes, lots of cubbyhole space under the armrest. And then if you look in the back, same again. That same leather, stitching, ISOFIX attachments, USBs around the back, and fully fitted mats with the grab handles. You've then got the step on the rear quarter here to climb onto if you were to, tie something on, get something in, get something out, very easy. New lights on the back are also tinted, reversing camera system on the Ford badge, and then you've got this huge space, and that's brilliant. It's like new, so do what you want to do with it, utilise it, and then it just, I think it's a very practical car, like I said. This one also has the heavy-duty Towbar with the electrics right next to it. Bumper bars all colour-coded. As for the driver's cab area, well, first of all, you've got electric seats here. Electric windows, electric mirrors, push button start, buttons just there. And then you have adaptive cruise control. Bluetooth controls, stereo controls, all there. Lovely piano black finish, and again, another big digital screen just in front of you where it shows you lots of useful information about the car and the trip computer. Put it into reverse, and then you've got the reversing camera just there with the guidelines as well. This really is a fascinating car. Other features like heated steering wheel, which is on the center media screen, press the button and you can use that as well. It's just such a fun car. A car you can't get hold of, not straight away, you have to wait a few months. So if you're in the market and you want one now, then this is it. Wildtrak in the beautiful gunmetal grey, with all the spec that you'd want, and it's VAT qualifying. My name's Joe, thanks for watching, bye bye now.